Hey, chicken wing. Sorry.
Fuck you.
Fuck you!
Simon, don't touch my phone. You're excited.
I would have to go through every code, every transfer.
What?
I love you. What?
Stop yelling! What the fuck? Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Wow.
Wow, indeed.
I love you too. How was your day?
Don't touch me.
Sorry.
No, do not touch.
Are you doing anything fun tonight? You farted? What? Okay, well that's kind of gross.